In this screencast, I'm going to show how to make the object shown in front of us here. We have the drawing for the so-called GDF part, and we see that we have a groove running around the top here, and a pocket here, and then 3 holes here. So the first thing we want to do is determine the size of this thing. So it is 3 by 2 by 1.5 deep. So let me go ahead and make a part that is 3 by 2. Finish the sketch, and let's extrude in. Let's go in 1.5, 1.5. Okay, there's our stock. I'm going to make it a color that I find useful. And so at this point, what I want to do is create a sketch here, and I want to use the offset tool. And if you look at the plans, you'll see that groove starts 1/8 of an inch from the edge. So I'm going to use the offset tool twice. I click offset, click the outside, pull in, left click, right click, general dimension, and then I'm going to have this part be 0.25 so that I know that that groove is 1/8 inch apart. I'm going to go ahead and finish here and extrude first. I'm going to go in, of course, and I go, I believe, 1.25, enter. Let's make sure that that's the case. So the depth of those, yeah, no, I'm wrong. The depth of our groove is 0.25, so that is incorrect. So let me go up to that second extrusion, and I'm going to edit the feature and go to 0.25. Okay, now you'll notice that there are fillets around here, and they are of radius 1/16 of an inch, 0.0625. I'm going to go ahead and make those after creating the feature. I'm going to do the inside first. So, and yeah, so fillet, and it's going to be a 0.0625. So I'm going to come around to these corners. I'm going to on the inside and fillet them. And then I'm going to do it to the outside as well. Okay, do I have them all? Let's see. So, I think I do. That looks okay to me. Okay, let's go back to the plans. Yeah, that is 1/4 inch deep. Let's go ahead and make this pocket here. So this pocket is located a distance 1.5 inches from the far edge. It's symmetric. Let's see, where does it say it's symmetric? Yeah, it's a 1/2 inch in, 1 inch across, and then another 1/2 inch here. So let's just go ahead and make a 1 by 1 inch square, and then we'll locate it. So we're going to create a sketch right here, and let's see, let's undo that. Wasn't quite sure what happened there. Yeah, so we're going to create a sketch right here, and I'm going to make a 1 inch square, 1, 1. Okay. Okay, now I am going to dimension it a distance 1.5 inches from one edge. Well, let's make it the right edge. So I'm going to go from here to here is 1 point, was it 1.15? 1.15? Let's see, 1.50. Okay, and then I can also dimension from the sides. We know that it's 0.5 inches. Whoops, wrong one. So from here to here, whoops, from here to here is 0.5. Okay, I think that's fully dimensioned and located. 1.5 inches from there. Okay, so we'll finish. And then how deep is this thing? This thing is 3/8, 0.375. So let's extrude right here. Let's go the other way. 0.375. We've got it. Now we have to fillet it. It's rounded with a radius of 0.25. So let's hit the fillet button here. 0.25. Whoops. 0.25. And let's see. So we can hit that one. And we can move to this one. And to that one. And to that one. And let's see. Okay, I think we got it. Now we need to worry about those holes. So they are located, one is located right on axis. It's 1 inch from the side here, so it's centered, and it's a distance ½ inch away. So I'm going to put a point there using construction lines. Or let's just see how that works. So I want to find the halfway location. Will it find it for me? Let me just make a construction line. There may be more elegant ways to do this. I'm sure there are. But I'm going to make a construction line that goes right down the center. Okay. And I'm going to put a point right on that line. Okay. And then I'm going to dimension that line, that point, excuse me, a distance 0.5 away. Okay. So there it is. Right there is a point. And then we have a circle which is has a diameter of 0.25 and is 1/8 inch deep. So let's go ahead and make that. So here's our circle here, 0.250. Oops, I did what I always do. I forget to turn off construction. So there's circle, bring it out, 0.250. That's in good shape. Now, I'm sure there's an elegant way to make the other ones, but I don't have it. So I'm just going to dimension it as well. So it is located 1 1/8 inch from that edge, and it's a ½ inch. No, it's not a ½ inch. The distance from here is 5/8. Okay, so let's see. I guess I'm going to do this a little kind of brute force. Again, I'm sure there's more elegant ways to do this. I'm going to make a line from here to here, a construction line. And I'm going to dimension that construction line 1 1/8 away from that edge. Okay. And then I'm going to put another point right on there. And I'm going to dimension it a distance, I believe it was 0.5. Let's see if that's right. So, nope, it's not. It's 0.625 in. So 0.625, got it. So I'm going to make a circle on that guy now. Out 0.250. And once again, I forget to turn the construction off. 0.250. I think we got our hole there. Now there's a slick way that I can mirror this thing. Let me see if I can do that. So I know it's a mirror image. So this is 0.625 and the other one is 1.375. So this distance here is 0.625. So this is mirrored about the center. And it looks like it here, but it's clearly shown here. So let me try to use the mirror command. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this circle, and for my mirror line I'm going to use this construction line, and then I'm going to apply it. Ah, it worked. Okay, how fancy. So there's our 3 holes, and let's finish the sketch, and let's extrude each one of those. 1, 2, 3. Let's go in, and I forget how far we go in. We go in 1/8, 0.125. And there is the GDF for, I think that's correct. Now, just for grins, let's see what the volume of that thing is. Update 8.361. Just for our knowledge, 8.361. If I did this correctly, let's assume I did, then that would be the volume that you're after. Okay, good luck on making the GDF.